and welcome to my channel. I'm Oregon Zan. Today I'm going to show you how to make this adorable Halloween spider bread bowl using the Rhodes dinner rolls. The first thing we're going to do is to thaw the rolls on a greased surface and then spray the tops with an olive oil spray as well, and this will make them easier to work with. Okay, so we're going to start by making the head, and we're going to use 2 of the dinner rolls. Squish them together and form a ball. And then for the body, we're going to use 10 of the rolls. So for the lower legs, we're going to use 2/3 of each dinner roll. And the 1/3 that we cut off we'll set aside for the upper arms. The 2/3 sections that we are rolling out to become legs, they will drape over the midsection to secure them in. The section between the head and the body, just roll them out and drape it over the middle there. And then with the remaining 1/3 portions of the rolls, we will roll those out to become the arms and then connect them at the same part of the body. And now we're going to let the dough rise. I'm going to cover it up and set it on top of the stove for about an hour. And because I'm also baking some cupcakes right now, the nice warm oven will help the dough rise nicely. Okay, so the dough has been rising for about an hour and it looks awesome. So now I'm going to give it an egg wash with just 1 egg and a brush, and it'll give it a nice sheen. I'm going to add some everything but the bagel seasoning blend. I get this from Trader Joe's. And then just some Parmesan cheese. So what you want to do is add the foil over the legs, cover them up because they're going to brown up a lot quicker than the body. And then halfway through the baking process, you can just remove that foil and just let it brown the rest of the way. And there it is. Isn't it so cute? Oh my gosh, I just love how it turns out. It's got all that yummy, salty and cheesy goodness. It's really good with all the spices. Ethan, did you see my spider?
No. Oh, that was a squid.
The spider.
Creepy.
My son thought it was a squid, but that's okay. Okay, so now I'm just going to scoop out the inside. Now, normally you would want to put your dip right into the bread bowl, but I decided to put the dip into just a bowl, separate bowl, and then just set the bowl into the body there, rather than just, put it right into the bread itself. I don't know, that's just the way I wanted to do it, and then cover it up and headed to the party. I hope you enjoyed watching. I think it turned out super cute. I hope you think so too. Thanks for watching, friends, and I hope you will consider subscribing if you haven't already done so. Until next time, bye for now.